Inkinga ke sinayo ke yaqala mhla uMvelase evusa ukhulekani kwabafileyo ethi unobizo. Manje kasisazi ukuthi ke ubani okumele abe umkhululi phakathi kaSiphamandla noKhulekani. Kanti ke naye uKhulekani cha, he is convinced ukuthi ngampela uyena obiziwe. Mamzobe ke uyashada kuleli viki. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 5th to the 9th of August 2024 on Monday. Khulekani Stanley warns Nomkhosi regarding her dangerous ambition equating it to blasphemy. The Mthembus want to intervene to help Mazungu. Ndlovu expresses negativity about Tifa and Mamzobe's marriage on Tuesday. Mamzobe and Tifa have come full circle and appreciate each other more than ever. Sisebenzele is encircled by an innocent interaction between Ntombi and one church member. Khulekani is grateful to Mthembu on Wednesday. Mamzobe struggled to get over Siphamandla cursing her. Mazulu or Mazungu learns that Nokubonga declines Khulekani's help. Maphalala uncle comes dangerously close to doing the unthinkable on Thursday. Khulekani finally succumbs to temptation. Bekumuzi comes face to face with Maphalala. The Kumetes live the high life on Friday. An ambitious wife whispers poison in her husband's ear. Maphalala drives his brother out of town. Siphamandla and Mabosi returns from Mozambique with renewed energy. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.